Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of identity verification and document upload at the Trade Bar Broker together. We enter the trading cabin at the Trade Bar Broker and select the Account Not Verified section. In this section, to complete the identity verification, write down the information including the brokerage name, your platform ID and your email address, as well as your signature, which should match the signature on the document on a piece of paper. Then upload a photo of yourself along with your passport and the note in this section. Please note that the identity verification time is 24 hours on business days. After uploading the desired file, we click on Submit for review, and the documents are successfully sent to the broker. After one business day, when we enter the trading cabin at the broker's site, by clicking on this section, we access the Settings option, and you will see that your account has been successfully verified, and your documents have been accepted by the broker. Wishing you success and profitability.